Your credit report can feel confusing, full of numbers, accounts, and codes that don't make sense at first glance, but understanding it is key to improving your financial health. In this video, I'll show you how to read and understand your credit report easily. Start by getting a copy of your credit report from a trusted source. In the US, you can get a free report from each of the three credit bureaus once per year. Other countries have similar free options. This is your starting point. Look first at your personal information: name, address, social security number, and employment details. Mistakes here can lead to problems, so make sure everything is correct. Next, review your accounts. This includes credit cards, loans, and mortgages. Check balances, credit limits, and account status. Ensure reported information matches your records. Payment history is the most important factor in your credit score. Look for late or missed payments. Make sure everything is reported accurately. Errors here can hurt your score significantly. Credit inquiries show who has checked your credit. Hard inquiries from loan or credit applications can slightly lower your score. Too many in a short period can be risky. Soft inquiries, like your own check, don't affect your score. Collections, charge-offs, or bankruptcies are negative items. Note what's reported and verify accuracy. Dispute any mistakes immediately. Correcting errors here can improve your score faster than anything else. Finally, regularly monitor your credit report. This keeps you aware of changes, detects identity theft early, and helps you track your progress over time. Knowledge is power. Understanding your credit report isn't complicated once you know what to look for. Check your info, review accounts, examine history, track inquiries, and dispute errors. Do this consistently, and your credit health will improve naturally.